Hello, welcome to a new month planning. And like I mentioned before in I think was the previous video, I will be sharing how I do my cleaning for this month. And this is my house management planner. This is when I have my house cleaning, important dates that I want to remember. Then I have by week what I want to do. So this is like a little helper. And then I have my deep cleaning for this month that will be the pantry. So you know this planner that I use almost every day, and it's more like journaling, planning and stuff. And you know also this planner that I was beginning to use, but I honestly give up because I don't need all this when I have all the information here. So I only need to remember what I need to plan and clean. Okay, so how I'm working this now. So since I have my list of cleaning here, it's very easy for me to pick things from my cleaning for the week here, and then I just cover what is done, and also I check in that week what is going on. But I am using a very simple planner for this. It is a desk planner. It's an old-fashioned desk planner. It has all the pages for every day, and all that I will do is select for that what day what I want to do, and then I will mark like complete. You can use a pencil or just put all the list at the end. That is also very easy to do, and just go marking what is done. So let's begin with Monday. What we will do this day. Monday is one of the days that is a little harder for me, so I wanna put the first task that I wanna put for this day will be wipe down appliances. I will clean pantry. It's very easy to do that really quick. Maybe I will sweep and mop, because if I will be doing the cleaning of the appliance, sometimes when I'm cleaning I need to sweep and mop. But let me think. And spider webs. I'm trying to just do the task that will be quick and easy for a very busy day that I have, and actually very stressful. Mondays are the most stressful days at work for me. So let me put the list here. There is wipe down appliance, clean pantry, spider web, and with this. And this one will be, I'm not sure if I will do it this day, but sweep and mop. So we have that. spider web. That's a new one. I wonder from where it came. I know I saw the other one here. It's okay, I will go to check where else I got more. I try to keep this pantry very clean since it's the transition to my basement, the kitchen, and outside. So this is always in use, and I clean the spider webs. I need to finish the painting too. Have to paint this door and clean the door, the floor. I think I will go and paint again this one. Of course, not light green like that, and maybe a dark blue, or just like brown color. I don't know, or gray. Gray can be a good color too. My last task for Monday is clean the wood, and I will clean the wood of my desk and every other wood that I have in the house, and will be complete for Monday. Cleaning my wood, I use this method daily wood cleaner. So for this day I wanna do, or no, I want clean the bathtub, the coffee bar, mirror and glass, mirror and hot spots. That will be for Tuesday. I'm just arriving from work and I wanted to begin my cleaning day with the bathtub. I will put this method cleaner. I will spray it in the bathtub, leave it for a few minutes, and then I will come to clean. And this one, foaming, cleaning for towel. As you can see, my coffee bar is still clean from, and I haven't used a lot of coffee, but I will give it a little extra clean. I try to keep this clean and organized. So let's see that. I got the coffee bar a little more neat, and I didn't have enough for fill. I have only one extra, and I have the box empty. I have another box, but I don't want to open right now. So that's how it's looking, just a little extra organized. My book review, drinking my yerba mate. Now I will do my glass cleaning, and this is the product that I use, glass cleaner. I got this in Costco. It's very good. Doesn't have any smell, and I use paper to clean the glass. Wednesday I want to change sheets. I want to change towels, restock, and clean one window. That will be for Wednesday. Changing sheets and organizing my hot spots. As you know, first it's gone a long time ago, but can you explain to me how is that I clean this every week get fur. Not only there. Some fur there too. Everywhere. That's so weird. Okay, clean. No more fur here. That's all that I got. And no more fur here. Let's see when Frosty comes to visit again. On Thursday, so for Thursday I will pick the garbage, because the next day is garbage day, so we need to have that. Garden, this only will change if it's raining, and I will try to do in a sunny day or better day, but usually try that Thursday or Friday be my gardening day. So what are missing? Entrance and bouquet, and I want to do the aquarium too because it's closed, so that covers this garden, garbage, and we only have baseboard, lamps, kitchen table. Yes, and ironing. I actually will put, yeah, this is the entrance and also my library area. So what I do on this is first with my duster, and since I have a big lamp here, I will take advantage of cleaning also the lamp. Did you see that? So being or not being my day, I will have the lamp clean because I clean one lamp every week. I don't have a lot of lamps in the house, but with this long one I can go to the top, clean the books, clean everything. And also I use, after that method, this is the daily wood cleaner and a little fabric. So let's do that. After I clean, a lot of times I get like a little dust and then get dirty, and it's the entrance, so this can get dirty also. After I did my sweeping and everything, I will use my vacuum, and then I will come with my mop. Friday we will have baseboard. I almost forget organize closet because after I iron I can organize my closet. Okay, so that means that until Friday I practically have everything of my cleaning done. Well, that's in the best possible way, but I also have Saturday to complete every task that I couldn't finish during the week. Now, like, this is the beginning of the first, let's see, on the 28th on July 28, I don't have anything important to remember. And 29, 30, I have my brother's birthday that I have to remember. Then 31st, I don't have anything. The first, I have one of my little my cousin's daughter. And that will be everything for that part. Sometimes I go a little out, but it's because I try to add whatever is new. For this week, I have to request vacation for October. So the first that I have to remember on Monday is request vacation. Very simple there. I need to collect and store seeds, plant leeks, tie the climbing roses, cut strawberries. I will do that on my Thursday garden. So here, there it is. And that is all that I have for that week. So what will happen on in the next weeks? All that I will do is, because I organize myself for the month in following what I need to do on my cleaning. So the next Monday, I will go and copy what I put for. No, I'm good. Okay, so what I put from this Monday will go on this Monday. If I see that I have problems with it, I will modify. But this will be practically the base of my next week. And I don't do that every week in advance, because I want to see that this part is working. So I always test the first week of the month. And then I will add, since that week I have different holidays and stuff. Let's see. I have Transfiguration, and I have until, yeah, only one thing to celebrate. And then that's how I will do. So planning my weeks are being a little easier this way. I just have a little short list of things that I do, and I just go marking whatever I complete. Whatever I don't complete, I will just move to Saturday, and if I complete by any chance during the week, I will mark out. That will help me to know how good I am doing my task, what I need to improve for that month, and everything. So I don't know, what do you think? Let me know how you feel that is this working, and I would love to know what you do. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.